In sweltering heat, they lined up. Military enthusiasts and visitors from the mainland, all keen to get a rare glimpse of life in the barracks at the People's Liberation Army's garrisons.
I'm very excited to be involved in this show. It's spectacular and I wish Hong Kong will be better in the future.
I'm so happy to see it and I love it.
Every year the PLA in Hong Kong opens its doors to the public to mark the anniversary of the former British territory's handover to China. The destroyers, warships and weaponry are on display. The troops perform combat drills to show off their military might.
I'm so happy, very excited and so proud of China.
I am proud and I feel so safe to have the army here.
There are 12 PLA garrisons in Hong Kong, but they abide by local laws that respect the city's autonomy. But there are increasing signs that the PLA is boosting its presence, performing naval drills in Victoria Harbour. This was once public land overlooking Victoria Harbour, but this week the government transferred control to China, so this can be converted into a PLA dock and the Navy ships can berth in central Hong Kong. Critics speculate this is a deliberate ploy by China to make its presence felt in Hong Kong and a reminder that Beijing holds the ultimate authority over this former British territory. In a city that lacks trust in the mainland, it's added to the growing unease about China's tightening grip. And on July 1st, thousands are expected to protest over a controversial plan by the government to extradite fugitives to China to stand trial. Clarke, Al Jazeera, Hong Kong.